Hello and welcome. David Montemayor here, your favorite therapeutic life coach. In our previous video, we discussed wanting it, a concept in which we find deep desire within us to go out there and get what we want in the world. Remember, nobody's going to give it to you. You need to go out there and get it. And so some of us may say, well, we don't have the confidence to go get it. Well, that's a bit of a problem, but this tactic today is crucial for you. And this is faking it until we make it. And let's be honest, this concept is not without controversy. Some say that we are actively suppressing our emotions when we're doing such a thing. However, if we are intentional about it, make sure to watch the video on intentionality. If we are intentional about this as a practicing tool, fake it until you make it is pivotal. It's huge. Think about like a Friday night when someone texts you and they say, hey, let's go out. We're going to go do this thing. And you immediately go, oh, I want to hang out, but I don't know. And you just have those feelings where it just feels like, what if? I want to hang out here. I just want to sit here. I don't know if it's going to go good. What's going to happen when I go out? And then 20 minutes out, we're there, we're doing our thing, and we all feel good. We all have experienced this. And so this idea of fake it until you make it is pivotal here. So when we get that text, we say to ourselves, we know we don't feel the desire, the want to go out there now. But when we get out there, we're going to enjoy it and we're going to be glad that we did it. Okay? So let's think of another tactic here that is pivotal, right? And before we even get to that, I think it's crucial to say and highlight a perfect Buddhist concept here. As we are utilizing a boat to get across the river, once we get to the other side, we must discard the boat. That's what we're doing with fake it till you make it. We're using it to just get to the next step. Let's say that you are dealing with social anxiety and one of your goals is to work through that. What I would encourage you to do is, I would encourage you to find low stakes options where the social worry and anxiety is a bit lower and the consequence significantly lower. So you go into a convenience store, you're already going to say hello, you're already going to interact with the person behind the counter. You go up there, you say hello, you force a little smile on your face, you push the conversation by asking them how their day was, and typically it goes pretty well. You say, have a great day, good to see you, you smile, something you usually don't do, and bam, you walk out of there feeling better. You feel like you actually kind of pushed it a little bit. You continue to do that, you're faking it, faking that confidence, even faking that niceness. You begin to embody that as you see what works and what doesn't work. And I want to tell you guys, I'm not out here faking my whole life, right? Pretending this and that about who I am. But there are various times in which I had to use this tactic to get to the next step. And once I did, I realized I had it within me the whole time, but I needed to experience it. I needed to do it. And we need to be careful not to overthink this, guys. We need to be careful not to overthink this. You too can do this. Think of one thing, just go do it, go push it, see what happens. And remember, we've got to compile a bit of data on what we perceive and what we go through. So our next video is crucial. It is this concept that I think is pivotal for so many people to hear. And I call it simply normalizing our problems. So many of us have anxiety, moments of sadness, worry, what ifs, we're worried about the past, worried about the future. And to be honest, we all feel alone in these feelings. And I got to tell you, it's just not the truth. So the next video, we're going to dive deep into this. And I think it's going to be profound for many of you to hear. So please take a moment to like this video, subscribe, please share it and send it to someone that may need to hear this. It could be helped by this. And as always, guys, we got this. Keep working on yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.